Hi, I'm Juliet. Some software allows you to search for formatting in the Find and Replace function. But where is that in Scrivener 3 for Windows? If you're like me, you're used to just using Ctrl and F to bring up the Find function. But in Scrivener, that doesn't give you the formatting options. To access those, we first need to go to the Edit menu and select Find. And there you'll see Find by Formatting, and the command for accessing it. There are 3 items here. The central section gives you the opportunity to add a text search as part of it. The Find option gives you a list of things you can search for, and this makes it more obvious the kind of things you might want to find, such as images, annotations, links, or styles of text. Each option gives you a different section at the bottom, which for many of them allows a further refining of your search. And it could give you ideas for how to mark things you want to go back to, as you can search for highlighted text, for example. Here I'm first searching for a colour, and then searching for bold text. The final option allows you to search everywhere or just in specific sections of your manuscript by selecting them. If you want to know how to use a quick find, check out this video here.